By the end of this video, you will know how to change a contact to a supplier in Xero. Start from your Xero dashboard and go to Contacts and select All Contacts. This opens the full contact list for your organization, where you can find a record you want to update. Locate the contact you want to change and open it to view the current details. If you have a long contact list, take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct record before making any edits. Once the contact is open, click Edit. This switches the contact from view mode into an editable form, so you can update the information that identifies the contact as needed. In the Contact Details section, review the fields that are available to change. You can update the contact name, account number, first name, last name, or email, depending on what needs to be revised for this supplier record. As you work through these fields, replace any existing information with the correct details for the supplier. If only one part of the contact needs to change, you can leave the other fields as they are. The goal here is to make sure the contact record reflects the supplier information you want to keep in Xero. If your organization uses account numbers for contacts, check that the account number shown matches the supplier record you intend to use. If the contact includes an additional person, you can update that person as well. Look beside the name of that additional person for the three dots menu. Click those three dots, then choose the Edit option. This opens that person's details so you can make the needed changes. Review the information carefully, especially if there are multiple people listed under the same contact, so you edit the correct person rather than another contact linked to the record. If you need to use a different contact person instead of editing the existing one, click Add Another Person. This lets you add a different person to the contact record. Use that option when the supplier should be associated with someone new, rather than just adjusting the current additional person's details. This is useful when the main supplier contact has changed and you want the record to reflect the current person connected to that supplier. After you have finished updating the contact details and any additional person information, click Save and Close. This saves the changes to the contact and returns you to the standard view of the record. Take a brief look over the Save Contact after it closes, so you can confirm the updated information appears the way you intended. The contact record has now been updated in Xero with the supplier details you changed.